Hey friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we disable our aeroplane modes in our technophone. Friends, you want to disable guys your aeroplane mode settings. So friends, you can disable in your technophone. In this video friends, I will show you how to disable aeroplane mode in our technophone. And friends, in your phone guys, you can see this aeroplane mode icon on your screen. Unless you want to remove this icon, so you can remove. And friends, now let's see how to remove this icon and guys how can you disable your aeroplane mode. So when first of all guys open your phone setting to disable your aeroplane mode. So friends, you can see guys there is no any guys aeroplane mode setting. So friends, how can you disable it? So friends, you can see guys your more connection settings. Friends, tap here and guys you can see your aeroplane mode settings. So friends, you want to disable, so friends you can disable guys. You can see right side guys this icon on your screen. So guys tap here to disable, it will disable, and guys your aeroplane mode icon will also remove on your screen. And guys you can use guys your mobile data, and guys you can use your Wi-Fi setting guys without any problem guys. You can use, and guys you can operate your phone. So like that guys, you can disable your aeroplane mode in your Techno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.